Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects many individuals: scoliosis. Scoliosis is a condition characterized by an abnormal curvature of the spine. But don't worry, because in this video, we're going to share some effective exercises and tips to help you manage and potentially correct your scoliosis. Remember, it's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. Now, let's jump right into it. Point 1: Understanding scoliosis. Before we dive into the exercises, let's quickly understand what scoliosis is. Scoliosis is a lateral curvature of the spine that typically occurs during adolescence. It can lead to imbalances in the muscles and posture, causing discomfort and potential health issues. However, with proper exercises and habits, you can make a positive impact on your condition. Point 2: Consult a healthcare professional. First things first, if you suspect you have scoliosis or have already been diagnosed, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They will provide a comprehensive evaluation, assess the severity of your condition, and guide you through the appropriate treatment options. Your healthcare provider may also refer you to a physical therapist or specialist. Point 3: Strengthening the core muscles. One of the key aspects of managing scoliosis is strengthening the core muscles. A strong core helps stabilize the spine and maintain proper posture. Here are a few exercises you can incorporate into your routine. 1. Planks. Start in a push-up position, resting on your forearms and toes, with your body straight. 1.1 Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you build strength. 2. Bird dogs. Begin on all fours, extend your right arm forward while simultaneously extending your left leg backward. 2.2 Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. 2.2.1 Perform 10 repetitions on each side. 3. Side planks. Lie on your side, resting on one forearm with your legs extended and stacked on top of each other. 3.1 Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from head to toe. 3.1.1 Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Point 4: Stretching and mobility. Stretching exercises can help improve flexibility, reduce muscle tension, and promote better posture. Here are a few stretches to consider. 1. Cat-cow stretch. Begin on all fours, arching your back upward, like a cat, and then lowering your belly and raising your chest, like a cow. 1. Repeat this flow for 8 to 10 repetitions. 2. Seated spinal twist. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. 2. Bend one knee and cross it over the other, placing your foot on the floor near the opposite thigh. 2. Rotate your upper body in the direction of the bent knee, gently stretching your spine. 2. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Point 5: Posture awareness. Maintaining good posture throughout the day is crucial for managing scoliosis. Here are a few tips to help you improve your posture. 1. Sit and stand tall. Be mindful of your posture while sitting or standing. 1. Imagine a string pulling your head toward the ceiling, elongating your spine. 2. Ergonomic support. Ensure your workspace is ergonomically optimized. 2. Use a chair with proper lumbar support and position your computer screen at eye level. 3. Regular breaks. Take regular breaks to stretch and move around, especially if you have a sedentary job. 3. This helps prevent muscle stiffness and promotes better posture. Point 6: Additional support. In addition to exercises and posture improvements, some individuals may benefit from additional support options. These may include wearing a back brace or utilizing specialized equipment during certain activities. Remember, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider to determine if these options are suitable for your specific needs. Conclusion: that's a wrap, folks. We've covered some effective exercises and tips to help you manage your scoliosis. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to improving your condition. Make sure to consult your healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Until next time, Stay healthy and keep striving for a better you. Thanks for watching.